In question number 10, this point PQR are the vertices of triangle PQR, and we have to show triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. It is same like question number 9. Here PQR are vertices of triangle PQR. Then using distance formula we have found all three sides of this triangle PQR, PQ, QR and PR as in question number 9. Here we have seen this PQ and QR side have two equal length, so this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Here we have written as PQ equals to QR, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. In question number 11, we have to show that these 3 points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. We have supposed these points A, B and C are vertices of triangle ABC. Using distance formula, then we have found all three sides of this triangle ABC, AB, BC and AC. For this AB, x2, y2 are coordinates of this point B and x1, y1 are coordinates of this point A. In place of x2 and y2 we have used this -1, -1, and in place of x1 and y1 we have used this 1 and 1. x2 this -1, then minus x1 this 1, then plus y2 this -1, then this minus sign, then y1 is this 1. -1 plus -1 -1 is -2, and -1 -1 is -2. This is 4. Minus square is plus, 2 square is 4. Same here. 4 plus 4 is 8. For this x2, y2 is of point C and x1, y1 is of point B. So in place of x2 and y2 we have used this. x2 is -3, minus sign this, then x1 is -1. We have written this under bracket so that this minus and this minus sign will not be confused. Similarly here y2 is √3 minus, then y1 is again -1. Then we have opened this inner bracket, minus into minus plus, here also minus into minus plus. Since this √3 is a number having root and other without root cannot be added or subtracted, so we have to use formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we have to use. This minus √3 we have supposed like a, then in place of a square we have used here minus √3 square, this plus sign 2, this formula 2, then a is minus √3, this means dot means into, here again into, b means here b is 1, then plus again b square means 1 square, then this plus sign, again here also a is √3, so in place of a square we have used this √3 square, then this formula plus sign plus 2, then a is √3 and b is 1, again plus b square means 1 square, then minus square is plus and √3 square is 3 only, then here plus into minus is minus, and 2 into √3 into 1 is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into √3 is 2 √3. When we multiply root with number, then we don't multiply this 3 and 2. Rational number multiplied with rational number and irrational number with irrational number. 2 into 1 is 2, which is written outside, and root 3 under this root sign. Then plus 1 square is 1, then plus sign this, root 3 square is 3, then plus here 2 into 1 is 2 and root 3 as it is under this root sign. Then plus 1 square is 1. Here 2 root 3 and here is also 2 root 3. It has sign plus and it has sign minus. So this will be cancel and become 0. And other remaining we have to add because all have plus sign. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is also rooted units. Similarly for AC, x2 y2 is minus root 3 and x1 y1 is 1 1. For this we have to use a minus b whole square. Formula equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula we have to use for this. Here a is minus root 3, so a square is minus root 3 square, then this formula minus sign, then 2 a is minus root 3 into b is here 1 plus b square is 1 square, then this plus sign, here a is root 3, so root 3 square minus 2 a is root 3 and b is 1, then plus b square is 1 square, then minus square is plus and root 3 square is 3 only, then this minus into minus is plus 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3, then 1 square is 1 only, then this plus sign, root 3 square is 3, then this minus 2 into root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3, then plus 1. Here also 2 root 3 and minus root 3 is cancel because it has minus sign and it has plus sign. Then remaining 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is also rooted units. So in this way we have got all sides AB, BC and AC equal. Hence this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle we have proved. Question number 12 is same like question number 11. Here also 3 vertices are given, but here points are also given, and we have to prove this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. We have written these points are vertices of triangle ABC. Then using distance formula we have found this all sides AB, BC and AC. And at last is this all 3 sides are equal. So this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle we have proved.